Welcome to BeeCrm tutorial series. Now you are watching the fourth part of BeeCrm Customer Relationship Management Systems tutorial series. In the third part, we presented mail templates and campaigns in marketing module. So now let's see the registration forms and questionnaires functions. The registration form has two functions. First, by filling out the registration form, you can get into BeeCrm's customer database even if you're not a member and are visiting the site to subscribe to our newsletters. In the other case, you can get new information from your existing customers via email. Under the registration form menu, you can view, edit, and delete existing forms or create a new registration form. To create a new form, first you must give a name, select the status of the new customer and the colleague in charge, as well as the period of activity. Only after these will you be able to edit the content of the registration form and its fields. On the left side of the page, you can see a preview of your form. It is empty at first, but it can easily be modified by using the existing attributes. In order to do this, you must click on the number next to the attributes to make them movable. Please note, if you require an attribute which is not yet in the system, you can easily create a new one by clicking on the text in the bottom right of the page. If you are done with editing and you've saved your form, you can view it by clicking on the registration form menu point in the top left corner of the page. In this phase, you have two options to preview your form, and you can still make further modifications. If you are done with editing, you can place your registration form on your existing web page by using the embed code, or you can send it via email by using a direct link. If needed, we can provide assistance to integrate the embed code. Registration forms are used to get new customers or attributes. If you wish to make a survey, the best is to use the survey menu, where once you are logged in, you can view, edit, and delete your existing surveys or create new ones. When creating a new survey, you must give a name, description, and choose a type of survey. There are two types, traditional questionnaire or quiz type. The basic difference is that the traditional can contain complete and yes and no questions, while in the quiz type, only one correct answer is accepted. The common feature of both of them generates statistics based on answers. To create a traditional questionnaire, you need to add questions by clicking on the Add On button. By clicking on the white box, you can specify the question with description, add the type of answers, and decide which questions are obligatory. The answers can be in short text or in text box, in drop-down menu, and they can be single or multiple answers, also known as radio buttons or checkbox answers. The first two types do not require defined answers. However, in the other two cases, you must define the answers in advance. If you filled out all the required fields, then by clicking on the Save Changes button, you can get a preview of your questionnaire in two formats. If you are done with editing, you can place your registration form on your existing web page by using the embed code, or you can send it via email by using a direct link. If needed, we can provide assistance to integrate the embed code. Now we are at the end of the fourth part. In the fifth part, we introduce the usage of management module. Thank you for your attention.